This is a typical T-bar or drop ceiling. And the way the ceiling works is there's T-bar channels holding in ceiling panels. Each T-bar channel is connected up to the hard ceiling above this space. And as you know, you can open up these panels and work above. So what we're going to do today is show you the connectors attaching to a T-bar ceiling and showing how the grip lock system would work on a T-bar ceiling. This is a T-bar ceiling, and the T-bar section, the part that's holding up the ceiling, measures 1 inch across. If your T-bar is something other than 1 inch across, then we're going to have to be looking at a different connector and a very special application. So just grab a ruler, check your T-bar, make sure it's 1 inch from here to here, and if it is, we're ready to go. Here's a picture of a T-bar ceiling opened. We've pulled the ceiling panels back here, and you can see this channel is actually built in the shape of an upside down T. Here we have the wire holding it up to the hard ceiling above, and this is kind of a standard application. People run their telephone wires and computer wires in these drop ceilings. Makes it very, very simple to do. So what we're going to do next now is I'm going to show you the different styles of connectors and how they attach here, and the grip lock connector hanging and the wire hanging down. This is the first connector we're going to look at, one of the older ones and simple ones. And this simply goes right here on the T-bar, if you can see, and you kind of put it up here at an angle, like this, and then just twist it and snaps right in place. And that's it. Once this is on, it's pretty strong. And the second part that we're going to do is I'm going to reach down here and grab the grip lock ceiling connector and a grip lock cable, and you'll see how simple this is. All right, you're gonna absolutely love how this works. This is a grip lock ceiling connector, and it's made to screw right in here. Now, before you screw it in, though, take the grip lock cable. There's the stopper on the end, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed this through. Feed it through. Let me turn my hand so you can see better. Feed it through. The stopper goes inside, and it locks it in. You screw this to the T-bar connector, and you'll have a very, very clean connection to your ceiling with the grip lock connector, the T-bar clip, and the cable. The cable can actually support more weight than your T-bar can. So it's very, very safe, very good, accurate connection can be made, and it can be made very, very quickly. So now we're going to move on to the other connector type, so you can see each one and how each one works. This is what we call the supported T-bar connector for the grip lock system, and some local codes will require you to use this. So check with your electrician and see if this is the one you need. And when it comes to you, it doesn't really look like, well, how does this work? And the way it does work is it's actually 2 pieces, and you take this and snap it in half, like so. So now we have 2 pieces, and the nut drops down in here, like so. We're going to use that and put the grip lock ceiling connector right there here in just a minute. Let me show you how this gets put together. We got the little bolt in here. This piece slides down in here, and then you simply fold it back. But you do this on top of your ladder, so you can trap the T-bar down in here. And if you notice, this thing is an upside down T, just like your ceiling T-bar is. So let's go up on the ladder and see how that works, okay? The supported grip lock T-bar connector goes on very, very simply too. Just slide it over the T-bar, get the second piece, put the little part through here, and then just fold it back, and you'll hear it snap together, like so. And now you have a support, and you can get your T-bar ceiling supported grip lock with the grip lock cable hanging out. There's the stopper, and it screws right on and makes the grip lock system very simple. Now, why do we have this second connector? Why is it supported? Some local codes require that if you make a light fixture attachment to your T-bar, you also have to go up here above this hole and run a wire just like this one to your hard ceiling. Check with your local codes, check with your electrician to see if this is the connector that you need for your particular installation. Very, very important. Now we're going to look at the third type. This is our third type of T-bar connector. You're absolutely going to love the simplicity of this design and the cost savings. Unlike the other two connectors, we don't need the sealing connector for grip lock. So this piece isn't used at all. What is used is you take your grip lock cable, put it through the little hole, and now it's locked in. Here, let me show you the other side of this. See, there's the stopper in the little channel, and this is the simplest and easiest to use. Now here's the part that's different. And actually all of them do this to an extent. When you put this up, you have to know exactly where it's going to go ahead of time, because it's going to leave a mark on your T-bar because it's going to press against it. All of them will scratch your T-bar a little bit. But this is a simple, very inexpensive T-bar connector. It's brand new. We absolutely love it. You just take it up to your track, your T-bar track, and connect it on and push it together. And you're in. And that one point now, you can put on your track lighting system and your cable gripper, and you're ready to go. A very, very simple connector. We absolutely love it. So whichever one you want to use, we have all three of them on our website. And please check with our designers for your grip lock system. We have 18 years experience putting grip lock track lighting system together and design. We'll be able to get you all the pieces and parts. So just contact us through our website, and we'll help make it easy and make your job beautiful. Here's all three of the grip lock T-bar connectors kind of in use, so you can get an idea how they look in a finished sealing area. This one very inexpensive, this one very simple and kind of a standard, and this one for when you want to tie it off to the ceiling. Unfortunately, they only come in black. You'd have to paint it, and of course it'd be perfect if you had a black T-bar, and that's definitely the one you'd want if you had a black T-bar. So very simple to use, very easy, a great way to hang your track lighting system from a T-bar ceiling.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.